$1 million home is not for everybody. However, if you have a big family and you're looking a 6 bedroom, 4 bathroom, over 4,000 square footage, which is just minutes away in Disney World, this property that I'm gonna tour you is the best fit for you right now. Are you ready to see and own this one? Let's go. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is RJ Bautista, your favorite incredible realtor specializing in new construction here in Central Florida with LPT Realty. Today in this video, I'm super excited to show you this super large home by Dream Finders Home, which consists of 6 bedroom, 4 bathroom, over 4,000 square footage, and also a lot of grades for this particular model home. Also, I would like to tell you about the location of this one, how far the Disney World or theme parks, the airport, and all that stuff later on. So make sure to watch this video until the end so that you will get the information that you need later on. So as soon as you come here, you will see this beautiful entrance and a wide entrance, plus the high ceiling of this home as well, which is a very nice, and I love high ceiling. And as soon as you turn left here, you will see this beautiful first bedroom, which is the size of 13 by 12. Yes, this is gonna be a 13 by 12 bedroom, and what they put in here is a double bed. However, you can put a king size bed here or a queen size bed, and also you will have this double door closet. As soon as you come here, you will see this closet, which is a pretty good sized closet as well. What I love about this particular home is super large, that you can do a lot of stuff, especially if you have a big family. This home is the best fit for you. So as soon as you turn left here, this is gonna be your first bathroom here. As you can see here, they have like fully tiles from the top to the bottom for the shower area, and also you will have a quartz countertop here with a white color, which is a very good as well. And this is gonna be your second bedroom here. It's gonna be, the size of this is 13 by 13. This one is quite big than the other one. For this one, you will have actually the same concept here. You will have this closet or double door closet and a single window here for natural light. And also what they put here is the same bedroom or same bed with a table there, or a study table that you can add for you to use this particular bedroom, which is really good. And now we are heading here in the main living space area, which is a really huge one, and I'm sure you will love this one. So as soon as you come here, this is gonna be your main living space area, which you have a big size, and also you will have this separated dining area or dining table. However, this particular area is gonna be your living room space area, and you will have this beautiful closet and also an extra storage there where you can put a lot of stuff, and also a stand for your TV as well. So what they put here, they put a good big couches there, which you can put an L shape as well if you like the L shape. However, you can rearrange this one, or you can put as much as you want in this particular area because it's pretty big. And now this is gonna be your kitchen area. You will have this center island that you can put like 6 chairs there on the side, and here is your kitchen stuff as well. You will have here a fully upgraded tiles backsplash, and also what I love here is the gourmet kitchen. You will see this beautiful gourmet kitchen and this gas range. So they don't have an electric here, you will have a gas range here, which is I love, and also this beautiful exhaust here. So if you are cooking here, you won't smell it because of that good exhaust. And this is gonna be your beautiful kitchen as well. You will see there your single sink, the deep single sink there, and this is gonna be your pantry, which is a pretty good size for you that you can use. And also this particular area is an extra storage for you that you can use, and you will have here a washer and dryer, on this particular home. The washer and dryer is negotiable, okay? If you are looking to buy a quick moving home for this particular home, it's not possible because you need to build this one. However, they have like specific flat for this particular home because this is so big. All right, so now we are heading here to the another bedroom or an office area that you can use, which is the size of this one is 11 by 11. So you can use this as like an office area or an office or another bedroom or a guest bedroom for you. You will have a double door closet there, which is the same of the other bedroom that I showed you. And this is another bathroom here for you. You will have a glass door here and also a fully tiled shower area here and a white quartz countertop, a single sink, which is a very good one. And now this is gonna be your covered patio here, which is a very good space as well. You can put a table there which consists of 6 chairs, and also you will have a pretty good backyard there. It depends on the lot where you want to build this property, and whatever you pick, you will have like a good lot size here as well. And now we are here in one of the master bedroom here on the first floor, which is consists of 15 by 18. This is a very big master bedroom. As you can see here, they put a king size bed here, and on this one is a really big bedroom that you can have, and there is a plenty of natural light here as well from the window that you can see it from there. And now we are heading to the ensuite bathroom, but before that, let me just show you this walk-in closet, which is a pretty good size as well. Look at this one. As you can see it here, you will have this pretty good walk-in closet here, pretty good size as well for you that you can use. And this is another closet that you can use for an extra in the bedroom to use it, right? And now we are heading here in the ensuite bathroom. You will have a his and her sink here, an extra powder area here, which you can have a quartz countertop here, and also a separated bathtub here. This bathtub is really good. It's a deep large bathtub. And also what I love about this one is this shower area. Look at this shower area. You will have 2 shower heads here and shower that you can manually use it. So you will have a big large shower area here that you can use, which is a really good one. And I love it because you have a plenty of space here to walk around, to do some stuff, and also to enjoy living in this particular home. Especially if you have a big family, this property will be suit for you as well. So now we are heading to the second floor level, and as you will see here on the stairs, you will have these standard grills. This particular stair is an upgrade. You can do a graded like this, or you can have a carpeted area on the second floor, but it depends on the package that you will pick. Sometimes you can pick whatever that they have or whatever they do. However, it's up to you if you are going to pick this package. And now we are heading here in the 5th bedroom on the second floor, and here in the 5th bedroom, it is a 18 by 16, and as you can see here, this is a pretty good bedroom as well. They put 2 double bed here, right? Especially if you have a big family, you have a plenty of kids, this bedroom will be good for you because you will have like a big bedroom here. You can put like 2 double beds there, or let's say 4 single beds if you like to, it will fit. And now we are heading to this another bathroom here, which you will have a shower, fully tiled shower area here, and a glass door there, and also a quartz countertop, a single sink there, which is a very good size and a very good quality and material that they use in this player builder. And now this is the AC area. The AC that they use here was the Carrier brand, which is I highly suggest. Carrier is a good AC brand. And now we are heading here on the 6th bedroom. The size of this 6th bedroom is 16 by 17. So this particular bedroom is a pretty good size as well. As you can see there, they put like a double bed there. However, you can put a king size or a queen size bed and you will still have space, and you can put a lot of wardrobe there or an extra cabinet, and also on the side there you can put like table, and you will have a pretty good size for closet as well in this particular bedroom. And now we are heading to this second floor living room area, which is one of my favorite. And look at the space here. You will have a pretty good space here that they put here, like a table tennis there, and also another table and chairs there, or high chairs there, that you can use in this particular home. And you will have a pretty good size here, which is, this is gonna be your bonus area, because in this particular model they have like without this bonus area, just the first floor, or you can have this a bonus on the second floor, as you can see it here. And you can have this a big size where you can put like a three-seater couch there, or a two double-seaters couch here, and or an L shape, plus your television or your TV with a plenty of windows here for natural light, which is I really love. As soon as you come here, you will feel like this home is super huge, is super amazing. It's just because of the size of it, and you will have plenty of space here that you can enjoy. All right, and now, as my promise, I will tell you how far is this particular area from the theme park like Disney World. The Disney World in this particular area is about just 7 minutes or less, so it's pretty close. So the closest you have, or you are in the Disney World, the better. Or I would say, from in this particular area, you can see the fireworks from the Disney World because it's super close. Actually, the Magic Kingdom, the theme park, is just probably less than 5 minutes away from this one. And also, if you're going to airport from this one, it will take you about half an hour, more or less. And also, it's the same thing, or the same distance to downtown Orlando. Will take you probably half an hour, more or less. And it's the same thing on the theme park called Universal Studio. It will take you half an hour, or more or less, the time distance. I'm just telling you this because on this particular location, very convenient and very good location, because you are not far from what you want to do, as far as like in downtown, airport, or any theme parks that you would like to visit. And also, in addition, this particular area has a good school system as well. If you have kids that who would like to go to the school, they have a good system, or good school system here as well. If you want more information about this home or the community, feel free to DM me to all my social media, or you can text me so that I can reply you as quick as I can, or you can call me, or whatever you want to do. I'm just be here for you. This is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching my video until this end. And if you stay in this video until this end, comment down below new home, so I could see how many people who watch this video until this end. Thank you so much once again, and I'll see you on my next video. I'm out for today. Peace. I'm getting good at this one. Bye.